Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing sort of a first impression of the KKW and Winnie Harlow collab. I have the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter duo, and all the lip glosses, so I will be trying those on and giving you my thoughts on those today. I'm a little sick, so excuse my cold voice if I sound stuffy. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so I have the box here. I got the entire collection. I got the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter duo, and I know I need to get my nails done, you guys. Let's not even go there. I'm getting them done today. I just wanted to film this first. And the 3 lip glosses is what I got. So first, obviously, I'm going to do swatches of everything. I'm going to try everything on my face. The packaging to start off with is beautiful. It's obviously of Winnie and Kim. They sort of did like this duo situation, even like on the lips, like it's both of them, and it looks very like symmetrical. Like they look almost like twins, but not in a sense. Like obviously they're not twins, but it's very symmetrical. Eyeshadow palette has a total of 12 eyeshadows. Decently sized mirror. I have not tried any of the shades yet, but here they are, super beautiful. I have for a base, I have concealer and I just set it with powder. Just gonna zoom you in for this. Going in with the Sigma E85 brush, I'm gonna take this shade here, which is Cocoa Bean, and I'm going to start that in the outer corner and bring it up. That is a very light color, so it doesn't really seem to be like showing up on me. It is a little light, but just gonna sort of use that as the base. So yeah, I don't even know if it's coming up on camera because it is super light, but I do see it on myself in person. Using a Morphe R30 brush, we're gonna go into the color Kintsugi. I'm not really sure what that means, but, or if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's the, so her shadows always are very like powdery and have a lot of like fallout within the pan, I've always noticed, but like I don't really see it with a big, it's not a negative thing, I'm just mentioning it, that there's always a lot of like kickback in the pan. So again, I'm going to place this in the crease and then the outer V. Just going to go into that color one more time. If you see a bug, there's a little tiny little like fly flying around. I've been trying to get it and I can't, so if you see it, I'm really sorry. I'm gonna go into that color again. So we are, I am getting a little bit of some lines of demarcation, so I'm just going to go back into the previous color, Cocoa Bean, and just use that to just sort of blend out those lines a little bit. I am going to take that beautiful blue shade, which is River Falls, and using a Anastasia brush, I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. So far, the shadows seem to be performing okay. I mean, they're pigmented, they seem to be blending nicely. I don't have anything negative to say about them. so far. So I'm gonna go back into that brown shade that I don't know what's wrong with me, I just can't pronounce it. And then I'm going to take, seems like a very pretty shade. It's Bella, or is it Bea? It's 2 L's, which I think is Bea. But I don't know. Have I heard of Bella before? Like Ella? Ella, Bella? I don't know. This shade here. I don't know how anything is pronounced. I can't pronounce anything. For the bottom lash line, I want to take this color here, which is Couture. I want to use Couture, and I'm going to try to spray it and use Couture. I need to make it like liquidy, so I'm just going to spray this with some spray. And then I'm just going to try, I have to get very close to my camera, my mirror, so apologies if I can't, because I need to pull down my eye, unfortunately, when I do this, which I know is bad for your under eyes, but. Oh, that's really pretty. So her shadows do perform well when they're wet, just throwing that out there. And then to sort of like tie it all together, I'm going to go back in with that, this is just a e.l.f. brush, I don't know what it's called. I keep burping, I'm sorry. Kitsungi. And then I'm going to go into this shade, which is Harlow. And then using the Morphe E45, I have one of these things from Amazon. I showed this before, but this like cleans off any like leftover shadow on your brushes. This is the shade Harlow. I'm going to use this as an inner corner and brow bone highlight. Lashes are on now. I actually have never used these KKW lashes. They came in this like that volume 1 box, and I just never used them because I actually am not very fond of false lashes. I know that sounds crazy. I love like eyelash extensions, but putting on falsies, I just suck at it. I'm good at putting them on other people, but I just like, I don't know. But these are actually cute. They're like wispy and they look very like natural. This is a highlighter duo. Super cute. I already showed you that, but it's very cute. And I actually didn't put on blush today because I did want to use this browner highlight, or the brown highlight, as a blush, just so we can like see what both things look like. So I'm gonna go in with this bottom half, which is Soleil. That's very pretty. See it? That's Soleil and that's Luna. So I'm using Soleil as like a blush almost. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Luna. I love intense nose highlights, if you guys didn't know that by now. On my Cupid's bow. Yeah, it's actually like really pretty. I prefer a wet looking highlight, and they're a little powdery looking, like close up. Let me try to zoom in. I don't know if you can see. Sort of looks a little powdery, and I hope like once I set it, it doesn't look like that. I know it's probably hard to tell like on camera what I mean, but okay. And last but not least, we have the lips. I'm going to just show you what these look like without anything on, and then I'm gonna see if I wanna add a lipstick. So, like I said, I got all 3 of them. All 3. We have Secret, Aura, and Tiger Eye. So this is a pinkyish tone. It's called Tiger Eye. Should I like zoom in some more? I guess so. This is Tiger Eye. It looks so attractive when I put on lip gloss, right? That's Tiger Eye. I always love her glosses because they look very wet. I love a wet looking gloss. Like, is Aura, which is like a pinkyish pearly white type of shade. On my lips, because my lips are so dark, you can't really tell. I don't know, maybe you can. You can't really tell a difference. But that's Aura. Last but not least, ooh, this is like pink. That's really pretty. We have Secret, which is like the pinkest one. Like I said, one thing that she has mastered is the art of a wet looking gloss. Like, that is really pretty. But again, my lips are really dark, so you can't really, I don't really think you can tell the difference between all those glosses, to be honest. But I am going to pair it with a lipstick. So using the KKW lipstick, this is in the shade Classic Icon 1. Just like a taupey pink. So there's that, and then I'm going to use the color Tiger Eye. So I think I would suggest these with like maybe a lip liner, like applying your whole lip with a lip liner and then putting these over it. Maybe, at least from on like my lip tone, maybe if you have lighter lips, they'll come up. But like in terms of color, this is just like pure gloss in my opinion. I almost can't really tell the difference, honestly, between the 3. Again, I think I have to try it with like lip liners. Maybe I can like see more of a difference between the 3 of them, like with lip glosses. With lip liners. But still, I love them. Here's the finished look. Let me zoom you guys in. Thank you all so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Sorry, I'm just like not used to my hair being straight, and it's like, I'm already like, please go back there. Please get out of my face. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Overall, I need to play with the eyeshadow palette more. I love the glosses, even though they look all the same, but like I said, I need to play around with it more. The highlighter, it's not the best highlighter I've used. I mean, it looks very beautiful, but it's not like my favorite highlighter in the entire world. And the unfortunate thing about her products is that she doesn't allow returns. So it's not like Sephora where you buy something and it doesn't work, you can always take it back, which I feel like some people sometimes take advantage of that. But like for example, if I could, I probably would. I don't know if I would keep this. I don't know. I have to use it some more. I don't like making judgments like when you first make a video. Like, that's why sometimes like first impression videos, I'm like, because like sometimes I use something once and the first time I'm like, no. And then I use it like 5 more times and I'm like, oh wait, I'm obsessed. So overall, I love I love it. I do. And I love Winnie. I think she's so pretty. And this packaging. I mean, Kim, do a collab with me next. This is so cute. I love this packaging idea. Can't you imagine my face on here? Kim, give me a call. We can work something out. Call me. Just kidding. I'm so funny. Not really. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.